Well, good morning. I'm here at the Ethan Pond Trailhead where it crosses the railroad tracks, and today is a somewhat spicy one. We're gonna do Mount Willey, Mount Field, and Mount Tom. As I like to call it, WTF. As in, WTF am I doing out here hiking in mashed potatoes? But I gotta get it. It's supposed to be above freezing all day, so shouldn't be too bad. So come on, let's knock this out.
Last week on the Tri-Pyramids, it was all about the dream team and constant laughter. This week, the plan was a bit more solitary. I headed up to Crawford Notch solo, fully prepared to hitchhike my way back to the car. But the White Mountain hiking community always has a way of surprising you. While I was driving up, I got a message from Audrey. She decided to join the mission at the last second, which turned my solo slog into a perfect two-car spot. We left my car at the train depot and took hers down to the southern end of the Willey Ridge Trail. The hike starts with that iconic walk across the railroad tracks before turning onto the Ethan Pond Trail. But once you hit the Willey Ridge Junction, the pleasantries are over. We're pushing for peaks 33, 34, and 35 on the Spring, New Hampshire 4,000 footer list today, and the Mount decided to make us earn every single one of them. The conditions today were a total 180 from the iron staircase we had just a few days ago. Thursday and Friday brought rain and warmth, and the monorail was feeling the heat. We started in microspikes, but it wasn't long before we were sinking. We made the switch to snowshoes to stay on top of the mashed potato snow, but even then the traction was a gamble. As we hit the ladders, the technicality went up. It's a mix of bare rock, rotting ice, and collapsing slush. I've done this ascent in all 4 seasons now, and I can honestly say this was the hardest version yet. The ladders themselves are starting to show their age, and in these conditions, every step felt like a chess match. I switched to helmet cam footage because I didn't have a hand to spare for the iPhone. I ditched the snowshoes and switched to crampons just for this section. The snowshoes were too awkward for the ladder rungs, and I needed the bite of the steel to get through the ice-crusted sections. This mile absolutely kicked my butt. My quads were screaming, and the mental tax of finding secure footing in the slush was relentless. But that's the reality of spring in New Hampshire. It's not always pretty, and it's rarely easy. But once you clear the ladders, you see the ridge start to level out, and you know that the reward is coming.
Pemi, we're not quite at the summit. I know, we'll get to the summit, but the summit here is nothing worth write home about. But the views here are spectacular, and I know you've been rather upset with me at the lack of views lately. Well, we're gonna change that, okay? All right, let's check it out. So there's the southern area, looking down toward Mount Cardigan. Wildcats over there. You got Webster Cliff Trail, Mount Webster, Mount Jackson, and then you got the Prezzies. You like that, huh? Now that's the best viewpoint all day, but it is a nice viewpoint. Ah, thank you, buddy. All right, well, the rest of these mountains, they ain't gonna climb themselves. Let's get moving.
The ridge walk over to field was exactly what I expected. The west side of the ridge is starting to lose its integrity, and the monorail is getting narrow. It's that balance beam season where one wrong step puts you hip deep in a spruce trap.
Summit of Mount Field is right behind us, but I figured you care more about the views. Oh yeah, we got views. You want to check it out? All right, let's check out the views. So over there you got Mount Tom. You can see down there the Mount Washington Hotel. And then you've got some little clouds over there and the summit of Mount Washington. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Absolutely spectacular. Yes, much better than the last few weeks.
When we hit Mount Tom, I didn't even bother with footage. There's nothing there worth seeing. We were both tired and ready to get off the ridge. The descent was uneventful but wet, with water crossings running a bit high from the recent rain. We switched back to spikes for the final miles, glad to be back on solid ground after a long day of mashed potatoes.
We're on our way out at this point, going down the, I think it's the Avalon Trail. I'm not sure. Anyway, snow is soft and getting softer as it warms up. I think it's colder, or excuse me, I think it's warmer than the predicted temperatures, which showed 36, 38 at the summits. It felt like it was in the 40s, which means we may be in the low 50s here. But I want to thank you all for coming along. Hope you enjoyed it. We got some good views this time. Even if I didn't get any footage at the summit of Mount Tom, we just kind of walked right past it. There's not much to see there. Thank you for coming along. Have a blessed day. And as always, chase your dreams, challenge your limits, and choose joy. Azimuth out.